titled Celebrating Independence and Republic Day in Mauritius.
Far in the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean lies a small island with a remarkable story. A land of breathtaking beauty, rich cultures, and resilient people. This is Mauritius, a nation that turned its dreams of freedom into reality. The history of Mauritius is a story of exploration and transformation. Over centuries, the island was influenced by different cultures and civilizations. People from Africa, Asia, and Europe came to this island, bringing their traditions, languages, and dreams. Through time, Mauritius grew into a vibrant society built on diversity and resilience. For many years, the people of Mauritius worked toward a shared vision, self-determination, and freedom. That dream became reality on March 12, 1968. On that historic day, Mauritius proudly declared independence and began its journey as a sovereign nation. It was not just a political milestone, it was a moment of hope for generations to come. The national flag of Mauritius tells its own story. Red represents the struggle for freedom and independence. Blue symbolizes the vast Indian Ocean surrounding the island. Yellow reflects the bright future of the nation. Green represents the fertile land and natural beauty of Mauritius. Together, these colors represent the spirit of the Mauritian people. One of Mauritius's greatest strengths is its cultural diversity. Different religions, traditions, and languages coexist in harmony. From vibrant festivals to traditional music and dance, the culture of Mauritius reflects the unity of its people. Despite their differences, Mauritians share one identity: pride in their nation. Mauritius is also known for its extraordinary natural beauty. Crystal clear lagoons, lush green mountains, and golden beaches make the island one of the most beautiful places on Earth. But beyond its landscapes lies something even more remarkable: the warmth and spirit of its people. Since independence, Mauritius has made remarkable progress. Through hard work, education, and innovation, the country has grown into one of Africa's most stable and prosperous economies. Mauritius continues to invest in its future, empowering young people, strengthening communities, and embracing global opportunities. Every year on March 12th, Mauritians celebrate their independence with pride and joy. Communities come together with parades, music, and national ceremonies. It is a day to honor the past, celebrate the present, and look forward to the future. Mauritius reminds us that unity, resilience, and hope can build a brighter future. Today we celebrate freedom. Today we celebrate pride. Today we celebrate Mauritius.
A reflection of national identity and unity. Independence and Republic Day and significant milestone in the history of Mauritius.
Happy Independence Day. Right for Education Africa wishes you a happy Independence Day.